morning world!
So we are actually walking down the street of Quatre Bornes and we are heading to La Foire de Quatre Bornes. So La Foire de Quatre Bornes is open only on Thursdays and Sundays.
And what we can find there?
So we can find lots of souvenirs first, then clothes and also jewelries. We're going to find out what we can buy today. Oh, another thing that you should know is that this La Foire turns into another type of market during other days. So it's on Wednesdays and Saturdays where you can go and buy lots of vegetables and fruits.
And now we are going to take the tram here in Quatre Bornes to go to Port Louis. Let's go to discover the Mauritian capital.
And now we're heading to the Codon waterfront. From casino to work hub, food courts to restaurants, fashion shops to craft market, Le Codon waterfront is the first major shopping development of its kind on the island. The name comes from a famous figure of the past, Jean-Dominique Michel de Codon, who came to the former Isle de France from Languedoc. And now we are at Bazin Central, the central market of Port Louis. And this is Alouda glacé, we call it. And it's condensed milk and with basil seeds, and we chose with ice cream and a little bit of jelly. So good and so refreshing.
And now it's time to taste some typical Indian sweet. So, let's start with this one. The name is
Gulab jamun.
I can say. Let's taste. It's very soft, sweet, but I can recognize the taste, but it's good. Strange in the start because I don't know what is it, but it's very good. Second one, the name is and now the little green ball. Between all the three is my favorite one. It's a dough with condensed milk. I love it.
And powder.
And now we are inside of the meat market. And now, after visiting the Port Louis market, it's time to go to Chinatown. And let's go to discover all the food that Chinatown can give to us.
So before going to Chinatown, Carlo decided to stop at this mosque, the Juma Mosque, formerly known as Mosque of the Arabs. It dates back to the 1850s. Mr. Chu, one of the most famous Chinese family bakeries in Chinatown, best known for its mooncakes as well as different types of cakes for the sweet tooth, which by the way are usually eaten for the Moon Festival celebrated in the month of September. And this is boulette. It's simply dumpling, but we call it boulette here in Mauritius. And this is sao mai and nukian. The nukian is made with chayote, mostly with chayote, and the sao mai it's made with meat. This is one of the best places to buy this type of dumplings.
So, here we have the typical Mauritian bowl. And inside we can find chicken, eggs, onion, and a kind of Chinese sauce that I don't know. So, in this little corner that we found this magical place is time to taste one of my favorite Chinese food, the bao. It's so tasty, and the dough is so soft, like a cloud. Very good. And here we have the hakiang, a kind of spring roll. Let's see what there is inside. I can already say that it's very crunchy. As you can see, inside we have pork and a lot of veggie. So good, crunchy, and the mix of flavor make you arrive in paradise. So good.
And this is arui, and for some we call it arui, gâteau arui. And inside you've got lots of taro. So if you're a taro lover, it's the best for you, best thing to eat. And of course, if you want to add chili on top, super good. And I can tell you that there's ginger too inside.
And Cindy is not a ginger lover.
But it's good. I really like it. And this is a stuffed tofu with pork and fish. Sorry, I broke it. So this can be prepared either as a soup or as a salad. Well, even if it's hot here in Mauritius, we love eating hot. So good. So this is another traditional Mauritian Chinese food, fried noodle. So basically it's fried noodle with chicken, vegetables such as carrots and cabbages, and of course eggs. We usually add garlic sauce with it. And if you're a chili lover, what could be better than this? And this is the famous South Street here in Chinatown. Crispy belly pork. So crunchy. Perfect. This is a Mauritian pickled fruit, commonly named as confit, and sold mostly as a street food. So we've just entered the Natural History Museum and we've got lots of species here. Really nice. Guys, we are here in Mauritius and we are at Chaban, one of the best kebab in town. So it's quite different from other kebabs because this one you've got it in the baguette and you've got vegetables, fried potatoes and also lots of chicken kebab.
It's time to taste!
And it's really hot. We just done it, so I'm super excited to eat it. This is the best according to me. If you come in Port Louis, you definitely need to try this kebab. Amazing. And it's really close to Chinatown. 5 minutes on foot. Quatre Pagoda is the oldest pagoda in Mauritius, as well as in the Southern Hemisphere. Even though it's located in one of the busiest cities in Mauritius, it is an oasis of peace and tranquility, a perfect place for meditation. So that's the end of our exploration here in Port Louis.
And remember, if you want to help us, share the video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and
Give us a thumb up!
see you next time!